Well, hello and welcome back. Thanks for coming back. Where are we? Downtown Paphos Harbour promenade area. If you watched the last video, we found a mobile phone and we tracked the man down and he's coming to get his phone. And on top of all that, of course, I've got with me the most beautiful woman in the world, Miss Uncut.
Hello, everybody. I hope that man, the husband of the woman who forgot her phone, will be here within a minute.
So, we're going to catch it live on camera to show you that we are people of our word, and we're going to give this mobile phone back to the man's wife, or well, the husband anyway. He's rushed in his car and he's coming back down. There we are, booth. This is the gentleman, and he's got the phone. There we are. There we are.
Ήταν εδώ, λίγο πιο πέρα, σε σημείο, πάνω.
Άκου να σε ευχαριστώ πάρα πολύ. Εγώ ήμουν αστυνομικός, υπαστυνόμος 30 χρόνια.
Μάλιστα.
Όταν πήγα κυνήγι, κάποτε έχασα το τηλέφωνο. Κάποιος το βρήκε, το πήρε στο σπίτι του και σε 6 μήνες πήγε να το λειτουργήσει. Εγώ είμαι μεταξύ, πατάκι το συμβόλαιο.
Μάλιστα.
Στη ΣΥΤΑ. Μόλις το πρώτο τηλέφωνο που έκανε μόλις το... Πήγε σήμα στη ΣΥΤΑ στην αστυνομία, η αστυνομία...
Πιάστηκε να.
Πιάστηκε κοντά.
Thanks, Andreas. Thank you.
Αυτά τα πράγματα δεν μπορείς, δεν πιάσεις τα, πέταξε τα, μην τα αφήσεις
Με
καλά.
λένε Μαρίκα.
Από πού είσαι?
Είμαι Αρμένισσα. Στην Κύπρο είμαι 22 χρόνια. Οπότε το όνομα σας είναι ο κύριος Ανδρέας Πέτρο. Κύριε Ανδρέα, εμείς κάνουμε βίντεο...
Σε γάμους αυτά όλα τις...
Όχι, απλώς κάνουμε YouTube channel και αυτό είναι το κανάλι μας. Και πώς βρήκαμε το κινητό σας είναι μέσα στο YouTube. Εμείς βγάλαμε βίντεο και λέω του Παύλου, λέω γύριζε πίσω. Νομίζω κάποιος το έχει ξεχάσει και είναι μέσα στο κανάλι αυτό πώς τα βρήκαμε και πώς σας πήρα τηλέφωνο. Τίποτα.
There we go. The phone has been returned to the man who lost his phone. There we are, sir. Pop that with your ice cream. Oh, you don't want to join the YouTube channel? I'll have your ice cream. There we are. Right, that gentleman was filming us as we were filming that gentleman. So there we go. Pacific?
You know, the man was in the higher position in the police.
Excellent.
Yes. So, but now he's retired, and he said one day he was on hunting. And somewhere in the forest he left his phone, but this phone had too much very important information in it. After 6 months the man tried to liturgy to open it, and yes, he did manage to open the phone, but the problem was it was on SITA and everybody could see his phone where it is at the moment, and the man had a big problems. What I want to say, whatever you find, it will not make you millionaire or billionaire, of course, but it will always make you to be pleased, and someone will be happy. If you make someone very happy, you can be happy as well, because the man or the woman who comes to you says, thank you very much, and nothing can be better.
Yes. Couldn't have said it better myself, to be honest. Now and again, you know, not just us as YouTubers, but other YouTubers get idiots that come on and leave stupid comments because, well, they are idiots. And you're welcome to come on and say that I'm an idiot, because I've always said I'm an idiot in a blue hat with a pair of sunglasses, but luckily for me, I just happen to have wooed the most beautiful woman in the world. And of course, her name is Miss Uncut. So, a big shout out to Wyatt Burp. Please come on and mention that I'm a dodgy used car salesman, but of course I can give you a list of people who will tell you that I am not. And if you do happen to live in downtown Paphos, well, I tell you what, why not come and punch me in the mouth, and we'll see how it goes from there, because I understand that you're a very big man on a keyboard, but in the real life you're nothing but an idiot. So, to all of the people who'd like to leave stupid comments, please feel free. And that's about it. And you haven't upset me in the slightest, by the way, because if you think that you can annoy me, I can promise you that I can be the most annoying Welshman on the planet.
Leave this negativity, Mr. Paul. Look around, how many pleased people,
Exactly.
how many happy people,
Exactly.
more logical, more self-confidence and more enjoyable. what can be better if you see around you such a lovely people? So nothing can be better.
It is indeed. All we do is bring a little bit of fun, a little bit of games into people's life. People like to see what's going on in downtown Paphos and the surrounding area, and people ask us to go here and they ask us to go there, and we mean it from the bottom of our hearts. As time goes on, we will go to every single place that you have mentioned, and hopefully we can bring that little bit of sunshine onto your screen. Dame Anne, hope you're feeling that a little bit better, and hopefully you're getting that little bit closer as you check that Jet2 app, and you know that very, very soon you will be flying out into paradise. And guess what? We're going to go and get a gluten-free croissant donut especially for you. Thanks for watching.
And one day this old glass bottoms is gonna be polished. I can't wait until all this gonna be shiny like a mirror. And of course we will visit it not once, not twice, many times. These luxury floors. What we have to do with the floors, this luxury food will be tasted by us.
It's true indeed. All of these restaurants will reopen, all of these restaurants will reboot, and they're going to come back better and stronger than they ever were before. You're going to get some great food, some great drinks, and on top of all of that, you're going to get some spectacular views across the blue Mediterranean Sea, and it's going to take your breath away. Have a look at that. Feast your eyes and digest.
And I'm looking for somewhere to jump.
You're always looking for somewhere to go and do a bit of monkeying.
I think in the past life I used to be the panther. You know, jump of the panther. When it jumps, always knows where.
You can't take her anywhere, that's for sure. Now, do you recognise the name on the side of that boat? CY Dive. Well, who's going to come out to Paphos in the summer and go on a diving expedition? Yes, Lord Ritchie. That is the operation, that's the company that takes safety very, very well. Indeed, they're going to look after you, that's for sure. They take you out towards the Paphos Promenade area. Their office is just set back behind that parade of shops and restaurants over there, and the Sea View captain, Sea View if you understand me, round the back of there. They take you out, there's some steps into the blue Mediterranean Sea. That's where you do all your training. Once you get that little bit better, that's the boat you go on, CY Dive, and they go out into the blue Mediterranean Sea, and they teach you to dive. And there's Oching Receiving a booth teaching you to climb. Doesn't get much better than that. What do you think of that top, J-Man? Is it shiny enough? It's not too bad, is it?
I hope you like it, my darling, my dearest Dame Anne, and I hope that you will always give to it the best mark, because I know you will.
Is it going to be the jump of a panther?
It's going to be the Chuck Norris, like this. Chuck, and Norris is coming to the room very soon.
And Jackie Chan is coming into town next week,
and
that's
Jackie
for
Chan.
sure. So, if you're looking for somewhere special to come on your holidays, Paphos could be that special place for you. Because, well, that sky, it's blue. That sea is blue.
I am blue. Mr. Paul's got ring blue. Blue ring.
She's confusing your English now. And on top of that, we may be going to buy a blue S-Class Mercedes.
So, get yourself for a big bird or a canoe. All has to be blue, by the way. And start paddling like crazy, just like a lunatic, because we are all waiting just for you.
We are indeed. Now, we've had a sad day today, by the way, because unfortunately some friends of ours came into town, some family members touched down last week. We've had great time with them. The superstar, the one and only Gumbaru #1, Mr. Leo, and he was always dressed head to toe in blue. Did you notice?
I know. Actually, I thought to myself, if I start, because they just left not long ago, I wish them the greatest landing and wish them all the best in the future life. Let all the plans come true. Let all the dreams will be there. And Julie, you're a hero. You're a hero with a luxury long hair. The woman who's got 8 children, another 2, and you would not have enough fingers on your 2 hands to count. Well done, you. You're a hero to me, and I wish all this, whatever you plan, will come true very, very soon. And you are a grateful lady and grateful family. Mr. Leo, we're loving you to bits. And don't forget to come and see another of our madnesses. And Mr. Richard, the man of all
he's
the
my
men,
business strategist.
kissing you from the bottom of our 2 hearts.
There we go. So we miss you already, and we wish you that safe flight. And we hope you get into Swindon, Wiltshire very, very soon. And we hope that your beautiful barn conversion, I'm sure you've got fancy heating, so I'm sure it's going to keep you warm. And I'm sure Julie's Range Rover is going to be waiting for her, and they're going to whiz off down to the shops and have a great spending spree. And I hope that Mr. Blue, yes, that's the massive dog, and he was a beautiful dog, wasn't he? Yeah, absolutely beautiful. He will be waiting there for Mr. Richard, and he's going to jump into the passenger seat in the transit van, and they're going to go off wiggling and waggling and putting up train sets and all that kind of stuff. Anyway, we look forward to seeing you very, very soon, and well, we wish you all the best in this life, that's for sure. Krasivic?
The company of yours was unforgettable. I will never ever forget your lovely smiles, your lovely attitude, and your appreciation. We are just humbled that we've got 1, 2, 3 more people who are counted in our family, and our family is huge.
So, thanks for watching. If you like what you see, hit the like, click subscribe, and come back for a little bit more of our complete and utter madness. And if you really want to watch the channel grow, please consider going through to our About page. Yes, Lord Nigel, don't click off just yet. And go through and hit the Buy Me a Coffee icon. You can register one of your plastic friends or make a one-off donation and help the channel to grow. That's how we're funded, if you understand. So, thanks for watching, and let's leave you with that spectacular view of watching Gracevia LaBouffe, who's all dressed head to toe in blue, with a beautiful background of blue.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. And there's a twizzling, twirling Gracevia LaBouffe, especially for Sir Simon and Sir Jeremy. Thanks for watching.